Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Today I am going to do $6 and I am going to put it into my quarter minis sharks set, and I am saving $6 a day in July, trying to work through my stash and just to save some money for some of my sinking funds. So let's put our $6 in cash into our minis bank. And I'm going to put the 5 up front, and I'll put the $1 in the back. And then we are going to take the exact amount of prop coins. And I have all of mine in quarters, so I don't need to shuffle or anything. It's all ready to go. We're going to go to our little start here, which is on number 4. Got our dice tower, our die. All right, let's go. 3, right? It's a fantastic start, so I'm going to take that out. 1 for 5. 3 for number 6. It's kind of nice having that one stick out because it's easy to grab. 1 for 1. 2 for 2. No pressure, 3. Okay. It didn't work. Ooh, 3 for number 4. 3 for 5. 2 for 6. Then we get to go back to number 1. Oh, it only got 1 again. And then 1, 2, 3 for number 2. So we are going to start on number 3 tomorrow. Okay, scoot some of this out of the way. All right, so number 1. Number 1 got 1 and 2, so number 1 got 50 cents. We're working on these super cute little tinies from Boy Mom Budgeting. Oh my goodness, what is this one? I still think that's my favorite. All right, so we're gonna work on the little crab. We can mark off 2 little spots because we 25 cents each. This one little set will save us $4. And it did come with more of them, but they're roll and save, so I think I'm going to have them in a different binder. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 25. So $1.25 going into number 2. If I can get this. Okay, this is from Financial Dreams with Christine. So we can do 5 more. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will be right back. All right, we just have 75 cents more, and this one will be done. This is from the Never Ending Story. Each Falcor, the Luck Dragon, will save $0.25. Except for the 2 at the bottom, I made 50 cents. Let's try this again. It's just going to go back into number 2. All right, number 3 got 50 cents. And number 3 is... Oh, we just missed it. This is Yoga Santa from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budget. So we can do 25 and 50. So 1 more quarter and this one will be done. And we're starting there tomorrow, so we will finish that one tomorrow. All right, number 4, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2. So $1.50 going into number 4. And we just needed 25 cents for the little grumpy one. So let me color this in. I guess it's a grumpy grapefruit. All right, so this one saved us $5, and we have a whole $1.25 we get to put into a new one. So let's see, what is this one? This is from Kimmy's Corner, March 2026, Besties exclusive. So hey, you dropped this, and it's just a picture of a brain. Too funny. So this one's 50 cents, so we're definitely going to take care of that one. Maybe I should do a darker color. We'll do my dark blue. So that's 50, and then we have 75. So we have 25, 50, and 75. So we have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. So this will save us $4. This is going into dog supplies. Alrighty. Number 5. Number 5 got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1 going into number 5. And these adorable little tinies from Kimmy's Corner. We have 1776 America and the super cute little turtle. So we got $1, so I can do a whole nother row and I'll be right back. All right, one more dollar and this one will be done. Okay. And then number 6, whoa, number 6 got 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. So 125. This one from Budget with Carly is one of my favorites. So we can finish this row and do this whole next one and I will be right back. All right, one more dollar and that one will be done. All right, so we've finished that. So now we go back to the front, gather up all of our prop coins, drop them in the glittered envelope, and then we will get our $5 from I'm Eternally Grapefruit from Becca Budget 777. So we'll get that 5. And then we are putting this into dog supplies. So I'll put this here. That's our completed. And then I will go to our dog supply, which I think is right here. Yep, dog supplies. And we have $10 in here now. Food and treats were acquired. All right, so that is all I have today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have an amazing day, and if you're saving along with me, I hope you had fun and got a couple finished today. So see you tomorrow. Bye.